Infinity key fobs not being detected is a common issue, often stemming from simple causes. First, the most frequent culprit is a dead or weak battery. Replace the battery, typically a CR2032, by carefully prying open the fob with a small screwdriver, ensuring correct polarity when inserting the new battery. If a battery change doesn't solve it, signal interference could be the problem. Common sources are metal wallets, phones, or parking garages, blocking the fob's RFID signal. Try moving away from potential interference sources. If problems persist, a system reset might be needed. If basic fixes like battery replacement fail, try the push start override method. This bypasses wireless detection by mechanically authenticating the key fob. The emergency slot is typically located near the gear shifter, hidden under a small plastic cover. Lift the cover, insert your key fob into the slot, then press the start button on the dashboard. This method works for models with push-button ignition and bypasses any wireless detection issues. Another advanced fix is the antenna reset through ignition cycling. This recalibrates the vehicle's antenna system that communicates with the key fob. To perform the antenna reset, insert the key fob into the same emergency override slot. Turn the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine, then immediately back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times. This process recalibrates the vehicle's antenna and can resolve signal interference issues. If these advanced fixes don't resolve the key fob detection issue, the problem may require professional intervention. This could involve ECU reprogramming at an Infiniti dealer, which addresses software glitches or encryption mismatches.